This is the all-new iPad mini. I am the same old Nishant. You're watching Stuff TV, and today we're looking at the 5th generation of Apple's most beloved tablet. Now the size makes it perfectly handy for travel, and now they've upgraded a lot of internals as well. So although the new iPad mini looks the exact same as the old iPad mini, what's new is on the inside. It has an A12 Bionic processor, which is the exact same chip used on the new iPhones, and that gives us some super speed and smarts. It's great for augmented reality, it's great for video editing on the fly, and the size itself, the 7.9-inch display itself, is fantastic for travel. It's handy, it's full retina display now. It also has True Tone. The only thing I really miss is the lack of Pro Motion. So actually when you're surfing very quickly or when you're switching through different home screens, you'll see a bit of stutter, but it's not worrying. It's still a fantastic screen in terms of the color fidelity and the accuracy. Also, what's new is the support for Apple Pencil. Although the first generation Pencil, which still charges via the Lightning port, looks a bit weird. You might invite a lot of funny comments on the lines of "bob it" as well, because if you do lose it, it's going to be quite expensive to replace, because the cap is very easy to lose when you're actually charging it, and when you charge it, you have to suspend it like this, which is really weird. So it's not the second generation Pencil which just latches on magnetically. What's also new on the iPad mini are the upgraded cameras. You get a new 8-megapixel rear camera and a 7-megapixel front camera, so you have a much clearer FaceTime calling. Also now there is support for multitasking, because it runs on iOS 12, and the slightly larger screen than the typical iPhones makes it a lot easier to actually do multitasking on a screen like this. So is the iPad mini the perfect travel companion for you? Well, it's the right size, and if you happen to own the Pencil and the AirPods, you can actually take your Office with you in your purse. Well, for the entire review, you have to grab the May issue of Stuff India magazine and share and like this video.